Hello again, grade 2. It's Mr. Bedford here, and today we're going to do some more math work together. Now, before I start, I would like to say thank you for all working so hard on your patterns homework that I sent you on Monday. Today we're going to be doing a little bit more all about patterns, but this time we're not looking at shapes and colours, we're going to be looking at number patterns. Now, before we begin, I would like you to, again, get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil because today you're going to be exploring some number patterns and doing some work together with me. Let's introduce number patterns to you. Now, number patterns are exactly the same as shape and colour patterns, but this time we use numbers instead. Let's have a quick look at some number patterns. If you can tell me which ones you think are number patterns and which ones are not number patterns. As you can see, some of them follow a rule, just like we explored with shape and colour patterns. Some of them do not follow a rule. Can you see which ones do follow rules and which ones don't follow rules? So, what is a number pattern? Well, a number pattern, just like the rest, follow a rule each time. This time they jump along a number line. Sometimes they get bigger and sometimes they get smaller, but they always follow the same rule each time. All number patterns have a rule just like shape and colour ones. They use numbers to create the same patterns. Some of them are easy and they jump along a number line in ones. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Some jump in twos or fives, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. Some other patterns, they use the same numbers and they follow a rule, but they repeat themselves. 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 20, 21, 20, 21, 20, 21, 5, 10, 5, 10. All that they're doing is following the same rule and repeating themselves, just like we explored when it came to shape and colour patterns. So let's have a quick look at repeating number patterns now, shall we? For each of these, I would like you to write down what you think would be the next one in our sequence for each of these patterns. Let's try the first one together. We've got 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, and then 5. What would come next in this pattern? Of course, it would be 1 because we're repeating 5 and 1 together. Now you can pause this video here and see if you can work out the next 3 patterns. What would come next in each of these patterns that you can see in front of you? Okay, time to take your pencil and paper again. What do you think would come next in each of these patterns? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to try and figure it out, and then write down the number that you think would come next. Here we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. What would come next? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Of course, it would be 20. We're jumping in twos. What would come next in this pattern? We've got 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. What would come next? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Of course, it would be 4 because we were repeating the numbers 2 and 4. Now we're going backwards along our number line here. We're starting at 50, then we jump back to 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15. Okay, what would come next? You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it would be 10 because we were jumping backwards in fives. Okay, here's your chance. I would like you to complete this number pattern. We've got 15, 0, 15, 0. What would be the next 4 stages? Write them on a piece of paper and you can show me next week when we come back together. What about this one? 5, 10, 15, 20. I think we're jumping in numbers here. What would be the next 4 stages of this number pattern? Write them on a piece of paper and show me again next week. Okay, here's your final challenge. I would like you to see if you can show me your own number pattern. Now don't forget, this has to follow the same rule and it also has to be a repeating pattern. Show me again next week when we come back together. Good luck! See you next time! Bye!